Hello students, it's a 30th of May 2020 ninth class English lecture 4th chapter A Truly Beautiful Mind. Before you read in this paragraph, here it is told that what is a genius person and what qualities do you think a genius person has. In this chapter, we will know about a genius person named Albert Einstein. In his 26-year age, he published 4 groundbreaking papers about light, motion, particles, and electrodynamic of moving bodies and energy. And his work took up only a few pages in scientific journal, but he changed forever our understanding of space, time, and the entire cosmos, and transferred the name Einstein in a synonym for genius. Means Einstein made many inventions in his life about light, motion of particles, electrodynamics of moving bodies. His work took up only a few pages in scientific journals. Means in scientific journals there are few pages of his written work, done work, but through his inventions he changed our understanding for forever of space, time, entire cosmos. And 50 years after his death, Albert Einstein genius still reign. Means after his death also we are still reading about the inventions made by Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born on 14th of March 1879 in the German city of Ulm without any indication that he was destined for greatness. On the contrary, his mother thought that Albert was a weak freak. To her, his head seemed much too large. Means Albert Einstein was born on 14th of March 1879 in the German city of Ulm in Germany. He was born in Germany. In his childhood period, there was no indication of his greatness, but on the contrary, on the other side, his mother thought that he was a very weak, and to her, to his mother, his head seemed much too large. At the age of a 2.5, Einstein still was not talking. Means at Einstein did not start to speak even in the age of 2.5 years. After when he started to speak, he spoke everything twice. Einstein did not know what to do with other children. Means Albert in his childhood period was not interested to play with the other children, so his playmates, so his friends called him brother boring. So the youngster played by himself. Means Albert played himself much of the time. Next page. He especially loved mechanical toys. In his childhood period, he did not play with his playmates. He played himself, and he especially played with mechanical toys. He liked mechanical toys. Looking at his newborn sister Maja, he is said to have said, "Fine, but where are her wheels?" Means when his newly born sister was born, Maza, he was asking from his mother, ki it is fine that she was born, but where are her wheels? Means he thought that his sister was a mechanical toy, so he was asking here for her wheels. A headmaster once told his father that what Einstein chose as a profession wouldn't matter because he will never make a success at anything. Means in his childhood period, he was not a brilliant student. Even his headmaster said that he would not be succeed in any field. Einstein began learning to play the violin at the age of 6. When he was of 6 years old, he started to learn how to play violin because his mother wanted him to. He later became a gifted amateur violinist, maintaining this skill throughout his life. Amateur means doing something for personal enjoyment rather than a profession. But Albert Einstein was not a bad pupil. Pupil means student. He went to high school in Munich, where Einstein's family had moved when he was 15 months old. Means he was shifted to that city because his family had moved when he was 15 months old and scored good marks in almost every subjects. Einstein hated the school regimentation and often clashed with his teacher. Means Einstein did not like strict discipline in the school environment, so he often clashed, often having quarrel with his teacher. At the age of 15, Einstein felt so stifled there that he left the school for good. Means stifled means he was unable to breathe, he was feeling suffocated, so he left the school for his good. Thank you students, that's all for today.